Alright folks, I'm telling you, this place is bussin', and as proof, it's always freaking packed. And today's flavor is the Dragonada blended Sprite, pineapple, dragon fruit, pineapple puree, and coconut creme. Alright folks, so let's get into it. It's time for another Swiggity of the Swig, and today's flavor is, like I said, the Dragonada. And this one is actually more like a Slurpee slash smoothie. I got my big straw here, and let's take a swig. First I'm going to give it a little swirl, mix it up. Alright, now for the test here. Oh wow. Okay, so this one, hang on, second test, second sip, second swig. Dang. This one, the Dragonada, it's no wonder they advertise it a lot, because this one's like all over the board and they have all this promotional stuff saying Dragonada, Dragonada. But there's a reason for that. This one is one of the better ones. Like, you can't really taste the Sprite and you don't really taste anything else, but you taste the coconut and you taste the mango. It's basically, it's like a mango pina colada. Like if you like pina colada, you'll like this. Yeah, you guys should give that one a try.